Sino ba naman may ayaw ng loan with 0% interest, lalong-lalo na kapag emergency? Lahat tayo gusto niyan. Kaya I'm going to share with you my new discovery. So hi everyone, Crisel Morales here and welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. So in today's video, as promised, I'm going to share with you my new discovery na kung saan pwede kang mag-loan with 0% interest na kahit first-time borrower ka pa lamang, possible at 90% na pwede kang ma-approve. Okay, so bago po ang lahat, I would like to remind everyone and I would like to stress or emphasize to everyone, disclaimer nating sinasabi. I am not an endorser of anything or anyone or of any company or of any loan app. I'm just trying to share with you ang bago kong discovery and we'll try to see as I will show you proof kung ito ba ay legit at totoo. So, ready ka na ba? Lahat tayo may emergency, no? Lahat tayo meron yung experience na biglang mangangailangan ka. So, I think no one is exempted. Siguro, except na lang siguro dun sa mga milyonaryo na talagang maraming pera. Pero if you are a regular individual or a citizen of this country, you will experience yung ganong scenario or sitwasyon sa buhay mo. So, etong isi-share ko po sa inyo is a loan app na napatunayan kung totoo. Okay, so what makes this different from other loan apps? Okay, number one, okay, if you are a new borrower or bago ka pa lamang sa app na to and you would like to borrow an amount from them, wala nang masyadong kuskus balungos. Just one ID, you have 90% chance to get approved. Ang maganda dito, hindi na nag-ahanap ng kung ano-anong mga dokumento. So, kung baga, ang loan app na to, actually, this is a loan app, okay? Ang loan app na to is binibigyan ka talaga ng opportunity to solve your current problem. Yung mga parang emergency nga di ba? So, huwag mo nang pahirapan, di ba? Ganun ang app na to. Pero napaka-importante ang salita or ang value na trustworthy. Dapat ikaw ay mapagkakatiwalaan. You have to really stand with word of honor na papahiramin ka ng loan app na to with the confidence na magbabayad ka. So, konsensya mo na lang. Parang ganun yon. Kasi, eto, hindi ka niya pahihirapan. One ID lang ang kailangan mo talaga. One of the reasons I learned kung bakit mahirap tayong i-approve ng mga loan apps o ng mga bangko sa ating mga application for a personal loan is because may hit ang pangalan natin. Simply, may record tayo na hindi natin nabayaran, na utang with this company. So, kung minsan nagkakaroon ng result yon ng malaking impact. Kaya, kung wala ka namang ganong record, so it is easy for you to get approved with this loan app. Okay, so, eto reminder, this is only for emergency. Hindi siya yung pangmatagalang loan. Kumbaga, short term lang siya. Pero ang maganda dito is that wala siyang interest. Kumbaga, emergency nga kailangan ko nga. So, ipapahiram sa'yo yung amount na karapat-dapat sa'yo. So, with that, I would like to introduce to you the Digido. Siguro, naririnig nyo na or narinig nyo na ang Digido. Totoo ba siya? Mapagkakatiwalaan ba siya? Legit ba siya? Nagbibigay ba talaga yan ng loan? Nagpapaloan ba talaga ng 0% interest? Well, I would like to show you and to testify that it's really true. Kasi bago ko i-discuss sa inyo today, pinatunayan ko muna. And how did I make it? Paano ko siya ginawa? I would like to show you how I installed the app. Because yung app na to, yung Digido na app, can be downloaded through Google Play or App Store. So, pwede nyo itong ma-download and then try to register. Paano nga ba? Paano ko ginawa? So, ito yung video. I would like to show you how. So, ayun, yun yung kumpletong detalye ng pag-download ko ng mobile app na to or ng loan app na to hanggang sa nag-apply ako for a loan, hanggang sa na-approve ako. Okay, so nakita nyo naman, I was approved with 4,000 pesos. Initially, i-approve ka lang ng 1,000 pesos pero may hihingiin sa'yo si Digido. Forward mo lang sa kanila yung username mo ng SSS, then i-increase nila yung amount na pwede mong ma-loan. So ako from 1,000 pesos, naging 4,000 pesos. So I did it para mapatunayan ko na totoo nga. Anyway, it's 0% interest naman, ano. At kung nakita nyo, it is only for 7 days. Okay? Kasi pang-emergency lang. So, pag hihiram ka sa Digido, make sure na mababayaran mo siya after 1 week. Kasi yun lang talaga yung number of days na pwedeng ipahiram sa'yo for a first-time user. Pero, in case lang na hindi mo mabayaran, meron silang option na i-extend yung araw kung sakaling hindi mo mabayaran ang na-loan mo. And then after that, kapag nabayaran mo siya ng buo, ang maganda dito, meron na siyang mas malaking amount na pwedeng i-offer sa'yo ni Digido, and then may konting interest na siya. So this is different from other loan apps kasi doon sa first time mo palang mag-loan sa kanila, ang laki na ng interest. So, kumbaga, hindi mo sila maaasahan for emergency. Pero si Digido, maaasahan mo siya for emergency. Pero, as what I've said, you just have to make sure that after 1 week, mababayaran mo na siya. Okay, bayaran mo siya ng buo para magkaroon ka ng magandang record kay Digido, and then you can again have a loan or apply for a loan with them with an interest, a minimal interest. So, yun yung maganda dito sa mobile app na to. Okay, so there you go. It's a very, very short video, but I was able to prove that this loan app is legit and maaasahan talaga. But, reminder, sana uutang lang tayo pag emergency kasi yung number of days to pay is 7 days lang. Okay, so there you go. Maraming salamat and sana po nag-enjoy kayo sa maiksi nating video for today. So, thank you sa mga nag-subscribe lately, sa mga patuloy na nagpapadala ng kanilang mga comments kahit kung minsan hindi ko mabasa, but I'll try really to go back to the comment section para mabasa ko lahat ng mga comments yo, and with that, malalaman ko kung ano yung need na pwede nating gawan ng video ulit for the next upload natin dito sa ating YouTube channel. So, thank you so much, and sana po sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, makapag-subscribe sila. And always, please, tap the notification bell down there so that you will always be notified kapag may bagong video tayo na i-upload sa ating YouTube channel. So, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And always remember na kahit anong klaseng pagsubok meron tayo, financial man yan, family problem, kahit anong klase ng pagsubok, remember that life is beautiful because God is so good. Bye everyone!